Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mayuri and today I'm going to be talking about the makeup starter kit. So if you have already looked on the online on YouTube on Google, you will find a lot of videos which are going to talk about a lot of products जो कि I would say कि beginner या makeup starter kit में नहीं आते. They include everything. And the purpose of making this video, I know this is one of the things that is already out there for quite a while, but the reason why I wanted to make this video is because I know that a lot of times watching those videos we pick up things that we never end up using, और होता भी यही है whenever it so happens that I go out with my friends and they want to buy some makeup. Just following those videos, I always used to tell them you need to buy a foundation, you need to buy a concealer, you need to buy 50 other things. It's not a makeup starter kit. They might never use those products all again. So without any further rambling, I'm going to be listing down the only products that you need if you are a makeup beginner and you don't want to splurge so much because you're not sure whether you're going to enjoy makeup so much or not, but just some things that you might need, on the days you want to feel fancy and you just want to put a little bit of makeup on yourself and just glam up a little bit. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first product that I'm going to be talking about is of course foundation, and one of the best foundations in an affordable range is the Maybelline foundation, Maybelline Fit Me foundation. The shade that I usually use is actually a mixture of two shades, but I can't recommend a foundation shade to you because of course your skin tone is going to be varied. Sabka skin ka color alag hota hai, shades alag hote hain, so I can't recommend you something like that. But then the shades that I use is a combination of 332 and 238. That perfectly fits my skin and I think it looks very nice on me. So I mix those two up. एक थोड़ा सा beige or yellow or I would say golden undertone में है और दूसरा थोड़ा सा I would say very slightly pink undertone में है. तो my skin is just in the middle of those two, so it works absolutely perfectly for me. The next thing that I'm going to be talking about, and I wanted to make sure that this video has most things which are Indian brands. Of course, I wanted to support my Indian economy any possible way I can. So I picked up a couple of items and it was the first time I was trying them and I absolutely am amazed by the quality of these products. So the next thing that I'm recommending to you guys is this eyeshadow, Nykaa eyeshadow, and I think this is the Sundowner Stunner palette. It comes in a packaging like this, and I absolutely loved this palette. I can do a detailed review on this palette as well if you guys are interested, but just to tell you guys or give you a perspective, you need an eyeshadow palette that has a little bit of shimmer colors but also neutral colors. The reason why I say that is because बहुत बार you must have seen those bright colors of eyeshadows. They look beautiful, but I have never seen a makeup beginner wearing that. So if you are a little bit outgoing type of a makeup beginner, maybe it's a good idea to pick it. But if you're somebody who's just getting accustomed to makeup, अभी आप नया शुरू कर रहे हो and you're not even sure, और आप इतना मतलब you feel that you're not on that level where you think you're an expert to play with those colors yet, तो एक neutral palette would be perfect, which includes a little bit of pinks and nudes and a little bit of glitters as well, just in case आपको कभी party में ये palette use करना पड़ा किसी party look के लिए. I feel this is going to be a perfect fit for that. This palette, I know ये camera पे थोड़ा सा pinkish types दिख रहा है. मुझे भी when I ordered it looked very pink, but I'm so happy with how it is. At the top it has those transition colors जो आप use कर सकते हो अपने मतलब eyes के transition shades के लिए. Then it has a couple of matte colors which are neutral toned, so they're gonna look beautiful on your eyes, and then there are glitters as well for those party pop-up kind of look. So definitely pick this palette up. it's in the affordable range only. I think it retailed for $5.99 or something, but it's a beautiful product, very high quality, very nice, and very pigmented. The next thing that I'm going to be talking about is a kajal. Definitely Indian girls need kajal. They want their eyes to pop a little bit for those days when they're not doing anything, just putting in a lip balm and then going in with a kajal. So I picked this kajal up, which is again from Nykaa, and it's in the color I Am 24/7 Kajal. I found it super nice. I haven't really tested the longevity of it yet, but I saw this product and I saw the price of it. It's very affordable. I was kind of, the three things that I had in mind when I was picking these things up is, first, it needs to be affordable. Second, it needs to be India made. Those were the things I was focusing for. I know I'm going to talk about, like for instance, Maybelline. That's not an Indian brand, but I wanted to include, as I said, as many things that are Indian made or branded in India or manufactured in India, founded in India, just so it's just a little step from me to promote my economy a little bit. So yeah, I picked this up and I was not disappointed again. This is an amazing kajal. It looks beautiful, very dark, and glides smoothly on your eyes. You can see how dark this is, and you can use it as an eyeliner as well. So I would definitely recommend picking this kajal up. The next thing that I'm going to talk about is a mascara. If you've been following me, if you've been seeing my videos, you know how much I love my lashes and I love to groom them. I love to make them stand out a little bit. So this one is from Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara, and I honestly wasn't hoping anything much of this mascara, very honestly. The reason why I picked it up is because it was cheap. I was literally using the filter sorting by lowest price first, and I thought of trying it. I never thought I'd include it in this video or even use it regularly, but this is beautiful, you guys. I mean, if you talk about this mascara, you can see it has a very narrow wand. I hope you're able to see that. This gives you so much precision and control over your lashes that it just looks beautiful, very nice. I mean, I can go on and on with this product, and it's really good, very affordable. I'll link the price of all of these products in the description box below, but an absolute must-have. Now for the lipstick, everybody has a different choice. They want to pick, if they want to pick nudes, pinks, reds, whatever color they want to pick. I also have made a video where you need to just pick 5 lipsticks and you're sorted. You can create your own shades using different permutations and combinations of colors, and it looks beautiful. The one that I'm wearing on my lip right now is again my Bella Voste lipstick in the shade Dark Fawn. I don't know why I'm always reaching out for this lipstick. Maybe because it's nude, maybe it is because it is matte, and it looks really nice. It's very affordable also, and that is why I have included it in the makeup starter kit as well.
So another important startup object that you will need in your starter kit is an eyebrow pencil. The one I'm using is Nykaa. Although I wasn't a huge fan of this, but a makeup brow pencil is a must-have in a starter kit. So I'll link my favorite in the description box below.
Now, you must be surprised to see that I have not included any other product in this video tutorial. Or not tutorial really, in this video, and that's just because I think as a makeup beginner, that's really all you need in order to start your makeup, like a makeup kit. On my face right now, I have just used these products. I have not used anything else, and I've been able to use these products for blush, for my contouring a little bit, and my eyes, of course. So it's really amazing how you can make your products multi-purpose, and this palette does exactly that. So for my contouring, I have used this color here, the second one in line, and I've also used that color for the crease of my eye. So I think it looked really pretty, and it went along really well with the nose contouring that I have, that I usually like. So I have done it from that. And for my blush, I used this color here. I picked a blush brush, and I just dab it a little bit and then spreaded it, and it turned out beautiful. Off late I had been enjoying using multi-purpose products. Not only they're economic, they're also, you know, affordable, and you know, you're getting too many products in just one palette. I was very skeptical about, you know, not including any blush, any highlighter in this kit, because, you know, at first I thought, but then I was like, you know, then it isn't a makeup starter kit. Then it just means that you want to pick everything that there is in the market, in the makeup industry, and you just want to put it all in your vanity. So I am looking forward to make that video as well, where you know, where I can include all the things, you know, which is a little advanced level of makeup. I won't say it's an expert level, just an intermediate level, and I'm happy to make that video as well. But this one I wanted to keep like super basic and still be able to deliver the results that you need to see. I mean, as I said, I was so surprised using this palette. I also used it for highlighting my inner corners, and the color I used for that is this color here, the third color. I wish they had names so I could talk more about them. But these are the makeup products that you really need if you want to start into the makeup world, or या फिर आप explore करना चाहते हो. If you enjoy doing this kind of makeup, you can pick more products. You can go deep into picking up blushes, then contour powders, highlighters, baked highlighters. There are a ton of things that you can spend your money on. But for now, I thought of putting the things that you would absolutely need in order to start your makeup kit, and that's it. Now, these are the products that you need in order to get this look, or you know, just a makeup starter. But there are certain tools as well that are absolutely required when you're starting into the makeup, you know, when you are entering into the makeup realm, if I may. So one of the things that I absolutely recommend is this brush from ProArte. These brushes are amazing, you guys. I have picked this brush in ProArte called PE223. That's the number of this brush, and the other one is PE29. This is a little more like a pencil kind of a brush that I use to smoke my eyeliner or eyeshadow up, while this is more like a tapered blending brush that I use. And really, these are the only two products I use, or these are the only two brushes I use for my eye makeup. These are the starter brushes that you absolutely need. Another tool that you're gonna need, and I wanted to try this out again. A lot of these things that I have here, I have been trying them for the first time, and I adore all of them. I mean, I'm sure going to use them a lot more than just the first time. This beauty blender I picked, and this is from Color Bar. I picked it up from Amazon. It retailed for 99 rupees, and I wasn't expecting much out of this product, but this, you guys, is amazing. You can see how soft and squishy it is. Very soft, easy to use. You just put the product and then dab it in, spreads evenly, and there's like very less product it absorbs. I mean, right now I've used this brush literally for my base makeup, for the for my blush, and even for my contour. I mean, I use the pointy end of this for the contour of my nose, and I think this is brilliant. It's such an affordable product. And for my base makeup, I've always preferred using sponge over brushes, because it just, you know, it just blends everything very nicely. So definitely recommend picking this up. So that's it, guys. I think that is all I had for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what else you'd like to know, or what all of the topics you'd like me to cover in terms of the makeup beginner you know, series, and any specific products that you want me to review. Stay safe, stay home. Bye.